Welcome to the CropScan Ag tutorial on getting started with Engage. Engage is the dashboard for harvest data management. From grain inventory to future crop performance. Engage has two modules, the Engage Harvest Manager for managing grain logistics, and the Engage Nutrient Manager, which is an optional subscription for harvest data analytics and tools to create variable rate prescriptions and send the file to the machinery platform. To use the Engage app, a license activation is required. A 7-day free trial is offered when you first download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. When a license is activated, the Engage app will populate the grower's field names and boundaries into the Nutrient Manager tab. If no boundaries are seen on the app, the issue may be related to 1. No API connection to Field Ops. 2. The wrong grower has been selected from the grower icon. CropScan harvest data will be recorded and stored on the internal hard drive of your CropScan. Data will sync to the CropScan Ag Cloud as raw data every time the grain tank is unloaded or the CropScan stop button is pressed. The raw data can be exported from the CropScan Ag Cloud web portal. For licensed Engage users, they can view their data via the Harvest Manager or Nutrient Manager modules. Getting started is just a few easy steps. Go to cropscanag.com and select CropScan Ag Cloud Login. This will take you to the CropScan Ag portal where you can create a grower account. Once the details are completed, select Submit. You will receive a verification code via email for you to enter in to verify your account. This login will be used for CropScan and the Engage app. Enter your email and password to login to your CropScan Ag Cloud portal. Once you have logged into your account, go to the Import and Sync tab. Then go to CNH Sync and Import and toggle on the switch to connect your API with your CNH Field Ops account. You will be prompted to log in to your Field Ops account, and then your boundaries will be pulled across to Engage. Once the account has been created and the API connection has been completed, wait a few minutes for the field names and boundaries to sync. Open the Engage app to view the boundaries. The blue boundaries indicate no harvest data is available in the app. A reprocessing step of the raw data may be required to see your protein and yield data in Engage, as an active license is required to allow new data to flow into the Engage app in real time. See our reprocessing tutorial on the CropScan Ag website for more instructions on reprocessing data. Thank you for joining us, and find more tutorials at our website cropscanag.com.